What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Jasmecoin is piquing a lot of interest right now. I'm going to break down a few important things and absolutely why I think Jasmy is going to be here for a long time. And a lot of people are not talking about some of the key parts that are going to make Jasmy one of those coins that people wish they bought in right now. If you're in the Jasmy army, be sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with everything going on, as well as the regular cryptocurrency market. And let's dive straight into this video, because this one is definitely going to keep your interest. So, currently sitting 4082, we know the market is pushed down with all the noise coming out of Binance and Coinbase and the SEC basically going after anyone that they can at the minute. Jasmecoin has not, unfortunately, been able to avoid that as well. 4082 current price, however, volume up $32 million, 13.17%. And circulating supply, which is important, we have a 95% circulating supply, that 47 billion Jasmy coins in circulation. Again, 95% of it, that's the whole, pretty much circulating supply is out for people to hold. Nearly 52,000 holders on Jasmecoin. But you might be thinking, okay, 2bit, come on, get to the point. You said you were going to keep us intrigued. Well, we know they have a joint venture with Avita Technology. So they develop computers, they develop laptops, and we know that that is now starting to come out. They've got their first PC coming out, the secure PC, which obviously is their part of their IoT program. But there is a lot more that comes with this. Now, what I want to talk about a little bit of IoT. What is it? Internet of Things. Now, this is very, very important as we start to break through it, because you need to understand exactly what this means and ultimately how this can really play out in the future. If anything, right now, Jasmecoin is ahead of its time. Let me tell you why that is. So what is IoT? Well, the Internet of Things describes a network of physical objects, things, that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. These devices range from ordinary household objects to sophisticated industrial tools. With more than 7 billion connected IoT devices today, experts are expecting this number to grow to 10 billion by 2020, 22 billion by 2025, and Oracle has a network of device partners. So by 2025, 22 billion devices will have IoT, will be connected to the internet, and that could be things such as simple as your TV, to your mobile phone, to, you know, who knows what else. Toasters, I think, is now available to be connected to the internet. So again, you might be thinking, okay, 2bit, I get this. Where are you going with this? When you start looking into industry for IoT, smart manufacturing, connected assets, smart power grids, cities, connected logistics, smart digital supply chains, and then you add in a blockchain technology on the back of that, which can track the data that's being moved with that, but keep it very specific to the industry or an individual, well, you suddenly start to unlock the insane potential of Jasmy. And I think this is where a lot of people don't understand this. Data democratization, ensuring that you or your business has complete custodian nature of your information. For example, if you have a business that decides to do something slightly different in terms of a power grid, or they want to route power slightly differently, and you don't want everyone else to get that, well, using the Jasmy ecosystem, using that blockchain technology, you're going to be able to keep that away from everyone else. You're going to be able to ensure that that continues to do the same thing day in, day out, and ensuring that no one else gets a hold of that information. And I think that's very, very important. Now, when we bring it down to a basic user level, even the actions you are going to take into your house, whether the number of times you interact with your fridge or the number of times you interact with your phone, ultimately will come down to the fact that you have an IoT, and that data can be used in order to either sell you a new fridge or sell you a new compliance in your households. And I think Jasmy tries to solve this problem. I think it's very, very interesting indeed. So when we take a look at the price action for Jasmy, what are we truly expecting? Well, as data democratization becomes even more important, what we're going to see is a real ramp up in terms of price. And equally, we're going to start to see the whole cryptocurrency market move up. We will obviously go through the Bitcoin halving, which will naturally bring the rest of the cryptocurrency market up with it. But I think Jasmy is one of those that definitely will be around for the long time. A lot of people predicting we could be back well above $1. A lot of people even saying we could even be breaking all-time highs in the next 3 or 4 years here with Jasmecoin. Well, look, taking a look at the chart right now, you can see we are unfortunately on the hourly quite down against the rest of the market, just 1.3%. Again, though, flipping on this 50 and 20-day EMA, we want to see that start to push. If we look at the daily, which is always worthwhile, we see a couple of big sell-offs, and we are trending quite significantly below the 50 and 200-day moving average, which you do want to start to see pushing up once again with Jasmy. However, I do think this is about people understanding what Jasmy has to offer and ensuring that videos like this makes it out to the community. So again, if you can support that by smashing the like button if you are holding Jasmy, and also subscribing to keep up to date with the latest. But I do definitely think there is some positive movements with Jasmy. And if you take a look at where Jasmy sits in the IoT ecosystem, particularly with IoT, you can see there Jasmy topping the bill with $32 million in volume. We're up there with VeChain, FetchAir, and a number of other IoT platforms. So look, Jasmy is looking pretty solid and is the leading cryptocurrency in the space of IoT. So very, very bullish right now. Lots of things coming with Jasmecoin. We'll keep you up to date with everything that is going on with it. But let me know down below in the comments, what is the craziest device you have that is on the IoT, the Internet of Things. And as ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to leave a like on the way out. And if you haven't already subscribed, do think about subscribing to the channel, turn the notification bell on. We'll see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.